Okay, girls, so for our topic for today is something related to the lesson yesterday that we had. Yesterday, it's multiplying fractions, but now the lesson is multiplying mixed numbers. So open your books to page 745. So let's have the first example. A blueberry muffin recipe calls for 1/2 cup of blueberries. A blueberry pie recipe calls for 3 1/2 times more blueberries. How many cups of blueberries are needed to make the pie? So the thing that we will do is we multiply 1/2 by 3 1/2. So I'll be using board to solve for it. Okay, we got 1/2 times 3 1/2. So it's almost the same as what we do from yesterday, but the only difference is that first we will change the mixed number to improper. You still remember how to change it to improper? We put here times and here plus, right? We do like that. Okay. So 1/2 will still be 1/2. Just copy, multiply by. We will multiply 3 times 2, 6, then plus 1, 7. So we'll put it here 7/2 because we'll just copy the denominator. Now, as I've told you before, check if the answer can be simplified. Okay? Is 1 and 2 have common factor? No. How about 7 and 2? Can we simplify 7 and 2? No, because they don't have any common factor. This denominator, we cannot simplify it. Only we can simplify the numerator with the denominator. Okay, now, since they don't have GCF, we will now multiply the numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 1 times 7, 7 over 2 times 2, we got 4. And since our answer is an improper fraction, we need to change it to mixed number again. 7 divide 4. How many 4 can you get from 7? We will get 1. Right? And the remainder, if we 7 divide 4, the remainder will be 3. Then copy the denominator 4. Okay, that's how you do it. Again, how did we get it? 7 divide 4 will give us 1/4, right? 1. Then if we take 4 from 7, we will get 3, the remainder. Then just copy the denominator. So this should be the final answer, 1/3/4. Okay, let's have more example. So for this given, the answer for example number 1, the answer will be 1/3/4. Okay, let's go to the next example. Look at, okay, 1/1/2 times 3/3/4. But let's read first the key concept. To multiply the mixed numbers, write the mixed number as improper. Just like what we do a while ago, we change it to improper fractions and then multiply as with fraction. So I will write it here. 1/1/2, 1, 1/2 times 3, 3/4. As I've said a while ago, the mixed number should be changed to improper. You put times and plus. Also here, times and plus. Okay, put arrow. So 1 times 2, 2. Plus 1, we got 3. Over, copy the denominator, 2. This end. Then the next one. So multiply. Again, the same step. 3 by 4, 12. plus 3. We got 15 over 4. Copy the denominator. This end. Now, check if we can simplify. Can we simplify 3 and 2? Do they have common factor? No. How about 3 and 4? No, as well. 15 and 2, do they have common factor? No. How about 15 and 4? Okay, none. Now, if they don't have common factor, we can now multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So, 3 times 15 will get 45. Divide, or over, 2 times 4 will get 8. Oh, since it's improper, we need to change it to mixed number again. 45 divide 8. So, you can skip count by 8, which is the closest to 45. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 is the next one. So, only 5 because 40. Right? So, if we get 40 from 45, how many will be the remainder? 45 minus 40 will the remainder is 5. Then just copy the denominator 8. So this is our final answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's have more example. Let's have guided practice. We got 415 times 1/2. 1 over 5 times 1 over 2. I told you will only change the mixed number. Okay, so this one, if it's mixed number, put times and plus. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21 over 5. Okay, then times this one, it's not a mixed number, it's only a fraction. You'll just copy 1 over 2. Since the number are big, we have to check if we can simplify. Does 21 and 5 have greatest common factor? No. 21 and 2, do they have common factor? No. So, we will multiply it right away. Okay, 21 times 1, we get 21 over 5 times 2 is 10. Right. Since the answer is improper,